Welcome to Idsona!
May sinasabi si Lala Chan. Gusto daw kayo makasayo at makaplay. Okay ba, kid? Okay, may first step siya. Ang first step ni Lala Chan, shake second step, swing to the right, and swing to the left. Okay ba, kids? Naintindihan? Music, please. Very good, kids. Ang galing. Mag-group tayo ng ito, two groups. Ituturo ni Ate Abby at saka ni Kuya Gary. Kunin yung hula hoop. Then, ipasok yung paa. Hawakan yung hula hoop. Dalawa po kayo, Ate Kuya, sa loob ng hula hoop. Dalawa kayo. Then, ikot. Takbo. Or walk. Ikot tapos high five. Then next naman. Tindihan ba po? Dalawa kayo. In 3, 2, 1, go! Go! Team A kay Kuya Gary, Team B kay Ate Abby. Go, run! Go, go! Team A, Team B. Dito tayo sa side at Kuya Gary. Go, go, Team A. The winner is Team A. Shoulder, head, jump, then wave, take around, finish, march, jump, and wave, sad pose, point to the side, bend your knees twice, and hug, turn around, kids, bibigyan kayo ni Ate, Kuya, ng balloon. Diyan lang kayo, kids, upo lang kayo, dahil may picture taking tayo with Lala Chan. Sit down na, kids. Sit down na. Dito tayo Lala Chan sa likod ng mga kids. Dahil may picture taking tayo. Mommies and daddies, dito po tayo sa may labas. Mommies and daddies, pag gusto nyo po magsalang dito sa Idsona, may birthday package po kami. Magtanong na po sa credit staff na. Thank you. Okay, kids, say bye to Lala Chan. Okay, in 3, 2, 1. Goodbye, Lala Chan. Mommies and daddies, group picture tayo with kids. Ganyan yung hawak yung camera nyo. Mag-picture. Once again, in 3, 2, 1. Idsona. Okay, thank you, kids.
Ayaw daw niya kasi boring daw. Kaya sabi ko dito